Hi, my name is Kenneth. I'm the support manager here at Mozinda. And the purpose of this video is to go over how Xpath can be used to customize capture actions within the agent builder. In this particular example, I'm going on a website and capturing a list of product names. I'm calling them item names in this particular field. However, I want to see in my business analysis situation what the difference was between the sale price and the new price. For example, here we can see that the price was $1,699 and now has changed to $1,599. I only want to see what the was price was for each item. However, some items don't have a was price, so I still want to capture a price nevertheless. So instead of capturing nothing, I wanted to capture the new price. The problem is I have blank spaces here. What I need to do is capture the price if there is no was price so that I have a price value there. As you can see here, I have already established the was price capture action to capture the first was price that's listed here, the $1,699. And you can see the agent continues on. However, scrolling through the sites, we see several that don't have the was price, so I need to make sure I capture that regular price instead. Now, the first step would be to go to location and add an alternate location to tell Mozinda to look at the price if the was price was not there. So I'm going to try that right now. So I'm going to simply select the new price where it doesn't have a was price. When I do this, I can see inside the Xpath window there is an additional Xpath that is added as shown in line number 2. However, if I look in my capture text preview, it doesn't capture the price in this particular case. And in fact, nothing changed. Let's check out the HTML to learn what's going on this web page. If I look inside of my DOM element window, and I expand it just a little, I can investigate to see what's going on. In this particular case, if I hover over my was price, it shows that the Xpath string looks like this, which is represented by line 1. However, if I hover over the regular price, I can see where this price is located, which is represented by line 2. So the only logical explanation of why there are no blank spaces is because line 1 is still being recognized by Mozinda, meaning that if we look in the HTML here with this list element, we see that it still identifies that there is a price was in the HTML. But if I click and open it, there's nothing there. So Mozinda still sees this Xpath and hence captures nothing because nothing is there. Whereas I want it to say, oh, if the price was is not there, the text isn't there, then go down and capture the actual price. But because it's still there, Mozinda is not capturing the actual price, but is thinking that there is a was price. So what I need to do is see if there's a difference between this li element, list element, and the previous list element where there is a price was that contains text. So let's check it out. So I'm going to hover back over the $1,699 and see what this price looks like. If I look here, I notice that there's more information. I actually have the text, but I also have a span element child underneath it. So logically, if I reference the span element and I say that the li element has to have a child element that is equal to span, then it should look for the price was, and if it's not there and it doesn't have text, then it shouldn't have the span element, and it will go down to the current price. So let's add this syntax into our Xpath and see what happens. So I'm going to go here and add this. So I still want this li element to be the first li element found underneath the ul parent element, but it has to also have a child that is equal to the span element. So let's add that syntax. So I leave it with the 1, and all I say is I want to add child. It has to have a span element child. So I make this change and I go back to my capture text preview, and there you have it. I see that each price, whether it's a was or the regular price, is now captured. So the first price I see, it says it was, and if it doesn't contain a was, it captures the regular price. So this sums up this video. We encourage you to watch our other videos on Xpath. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.